It's here. It's here. Okay, so Citrus Twist 2018 August kits. Okay, I can't get that out. This is Outdoor Adventures. You got some mountain. Oh, let me get my light pulled up here. My apologies. Another mile, another memory. You are my true north. I love this thing here. Compass, I guess is what you'd call that. This is cute too, like landmarks. So that is the monthly subscription kit thing for that stamp, that larger stamp. Now the Project Life kit. I'm just a girl getting ready to play with pretty things. It's craft time. Getting things done. That's cute. Let's start with the paper. Oh, how she loved to be home. That is me. As long as I'm sitting here anyway. It's okay, I guess. That's me. Keep going and going, and then you get your cut apart sheet. Pardon me. Line 1, 2, 3, 4. Cute. Alright, looks like this is a paper pad. I don't ever know. Oh, I loved that one. I remember seeing it. I don't remember if anybody said this was from a specific pad or what. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I love that one too. I guess I could. Oh, I love that one. Sorry. That's so cute. Oh, I like that one. Mermaid scales. Oh, the clocks. Oh, I love this one. Alright, I love them all. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. You can do that. Now, it's the cards. It's amazing how quickly you can accumulate these. Summer night, summer. I don't think you're supposed to only get one. That must have been a accident. Hey, good looking. I love these hearts. Planning. You can't make this stuff. That was in the cut apart sheet that you can print off the digital print apart sheet. I need a do-over. Weekend review. I love these hearts. A really, really good day. That's cute. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's me in a nutshell. And summer days. What do we do next? Let's look at the wood veneer. Not wood veneer. What is this? Cork. I like these because these aren't too big. Kind of perfect. Alright, those are cute. We belong together. They seem to be skinnier than ones in the past. Don't quote me on that one, my friends. Oh, you get yellow alphas this time. Gorgeous. Don't have any yellows. And these are like fabric. See? Pardon my really bad manicure. Slash not really having a manicure ever. Anyway, you get all those with the fabric looking ones. Much needed. This day is full of joy, vacation, some plus signs. Hello life. Here. This moment, fun time. Let's run away wild. Cute. Very nice. I like them. And your ephemera pack, which is totes adorbs. Sorry, I can't help but move you guys apparently today. Yeah, those are cute. Oh yes, and we get a sheet of paper, book paper. And these are chipboard. Cute, I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. And of course, oh, mini pom-pom lace trim. We'll call it trim. That is adorable. And your stamp set, always on the go. Spirited behavior. You did what? That's, man, that one's going to get used. Yes, this happened. Some things are out of my control. Best summer ever. Those are cute. Can't say it's been the best summer ever. I can say it's been the hottest summer ever here. Nonetheless, that is the kit. I hope you guys have yours and are enjoying them. And I'll do a few pages with it and then combine it with the rest of my kits. Hopefully I can use them up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. It's hump day. Whoop whoop. See you later. Bye.